Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and I am from Belagavi. I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from Hira Sugar Institute of Technology and I am specialized in Electronics and Communication Engineering. After my completion of degree, I came to know about the Emertxe Institute. This institute is suggested by some of my seniors college friends, and it is one of the reputed institute where we can learn about the embedded system and IoT. After completion of my degree, I am enthusiastic about the embedded system. That's why I joined the institute. I had an excellent experience at the Emertxe Institute, and throughout my course, all the mentors and faculty are very supportive. And apart from the delivering quality education, also they supported to clearing all the doubt sessions and all things. And I completed all the assignments and the projects by my own. And wherever I stuck all the mentors, they have helped me to improve myself in coding languages and where the logic we need to build. And I got placed at Avin Systems Pune, and this is my first interview, and I cracked. They provided all the essential documents like how to prepare for the interview and what we need to do. And finally, they provided some video tutorials about the project explanation and this kind of things. This will really help me to get placed. I will highly recommend Emertxe Institute who are enthusiastic about embedded domain, and try to join Emertxe, and you will get a good future ahead. Thank you.